Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be going through the solution to exercise 1.9 of the C programming language textbook by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie. Now, exercise 1.9 says to write a program to copy its input to its output, replacing each string of one or more blanks by a single blank. Now, the first thing we need to do is read in user input. Now, I'm going to do this with the standard method described in the book thus far, and that is using an integer C and reading in user input using getchar, and I'm going to keep on reading this user input until we hit EOF or end of file. Now we need to consider the case that the character that we just read in was a space. So let's do that using an if statement. Now if it was a space, we should first of all put that space, so we'll be using putchar, and then we need to make sure that we don't print on any more leading spaces. So if there are more spaces after, we should do nothing, just ignore them. So to do this, we need to keep on reading user input after every space. So in the similar way that we had a while C equals getchar not equal to EOF, we'll have a while C equals getchar, but this time, while it is equal to space, we should do nothing. So I'll just put a semicolon, and now what happens is we check if we've read in a space. If it has, print it out to the standard output, and then we're going to continue getting characters from the user while they are spaces. So while the user input is a space, keep on reading. Now, after we've done this check, we also need to put any other characters. So here we had if C was a space, but if it's not, just put the char anyway. And this also runs nicely with this while loop, because when C equals getchar does get run, it will read in a character, and when it finally does not equal a space, we'll need to put it straight away after. And if we now go through this logic, we read in character input using getchar. If the character input is space, just put it. Then keep reading user input while the input is a space, and then finally put that non-space character. So if we save this and compile it using GCC, and if we run it, I'm going to first just hello, this is a test with no double spaces. Works as expected, but what if we now put a double space here, a triple space there, and 5 spaces there, and we removed all the leading spaces. Let me try, what if it's only one word? Okay, one letter, okay, and what if we just have a lot? Nice. So the program works as expected. So far so good, no bugs are showing, and yeah, that'll be all for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.